In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft account password or PIN on laptop if forgot. If you found yourself locked out of your Microsoft account, don't worry. There are methods to recover access without needing to reinstall Windows. The process is straightforward as long as you can verify your identity. We will explore two main scenarios, starting with what to do if you've forgotten your Microsoft account password. First, let's look at option A, which allows you to reset your password directly from the Windows sign-in screen. Once you're at the sign-in screen, locate the option labeled I forgot my password. This is usually easy to find. If you don't see it right away, click on the Sign-in Options link and select Web Sign-in. From there, you should see the Forgot My Password link. This step is crucial because it initiates the recovery process and is your pathway to regaining access. Next, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account email address when prompted. Make sure to use the correct email address associated with your Microsoft account. This ensures that the recovery process is directed to the right account. After entering your email, the next step is to verify your identity. You'll be given options such as your recovery email, phone number, or Microsoft Authenticator app. Select the method you prefer. This verification is important because it helps secure your account from unauthorized access. Once you've chosen a verification method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code in the designated field. This helps confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account. After verifying your identity successfully, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a password that is strong and secure. This is vital for protecting your account from future issues. After creating your new password, return to the sign-in screen. Now you can sign in using your new password. This step confirms that the reset was successful. You will see a confirmation message indicating that you can access your account again. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that you are back in control of your account. Now, if you cannot access your laptop, option B allows you to reset your password from another device. Begin by using another computer or phone to open the Microsoft Password Reset page. To do this, navigate to the website account.live.com/password/reset. Once there, select I forgot my password. This process is similar to the previous one and ensures that you can recover your account even without direct access to your laptop. Next, enter your Microsoft account email address. Once again, ensure that it is the correct email linked to your account. After entering your email, you will need to verify your identity through the same methods as before. This verification is essential for maintaining account security. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a secure password just as you did before. Finally, connect your laptop to the internet and sign in with your new password. This step confirms that you can now access your account from your device. It's reassuring to know that these recovery methods are available to help you regain access to your Microsoft account without unnecessary complications. Before we conclude, remember that a Windows Hello PIN is device-specific and differs from your Microsoft account password. Resetting your Microsoft password does not automatically change your PIN. If your laptop uses a local Windows account instead of a Microsoft account, the recovery steps will vary, possibly involving security questions or a password reset disk. Also, note that Microsoft support cannot bypass or remove account security. If you cannot verify ownership of your account, you will need to complete the official recovery process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you regain access to your Microsoft account easily.